Roman Reigns rules the ring, but what about his rides? He has an impressive collection of luxury cars, each with its own power and prestige. But which of his cars truly steals the show? Let's find out. Welcome back to Wheels of Fame, where we showcase the flashiest rides of the world's biggest athletic stars. 7. Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG.
This can wade through twice that.
However, this being the desert, water is quite hard to find. So if you want to test...
Kicking off the list is the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. Under the hood of the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG is a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This SUV can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Priced at $186,100, the base model, G-Class, is a luxurious off-road vehicle with a 416 horsepower V8. It features a hand-built engine, a sport-tuned suspension, and a more aggressive body kit. Inside, the G63 AMG combines military toughness with modern luxury. It has Napa leather seats, a 12.3-inch digital display, and a Burmester surround sound system. The cabin is spacious, but for a vehicle that costs nearly $200,000, some of the technology feels outdated. This SUV is all about power, presence, and prestige, qualities that define Roman Reigns. But the G-Wagon takes a back seat to some of the more high-performance cars in his garage. 6. Cadillac Escalade-V. Powering the Cadillac, Escalade-V is a 6.2-litre supercharged V8 that produces 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque. This SUV can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, which is an incredible feat for a vehicle of its size. Priced at $159,995, the standard Escalade comes with a 420 horsepower V8, but the V-Series is a completely different beast. It features a high-performance chassis, a sport-tuned suspension, and a more aggressive exhaust system. Inside, the Escalade-V is a tech lover's dream. It has a massive 38-inch curved OLED display, a high-end AKG studio reference sound system with 36 speakers, and real wood trim throughout the cabin. Despite its power and luxury, the Escalade-V ranks here because it is built more for cruising than aggressive driving. 5. Range Rover Autobiography.
Copper sunrise.
Oh.
in matte finish.
Okay, so just so I understand, so this is a Range Rover SV.
It's an SV.
Which stands for
special vehicle, and then there's
The Range Rover Autobiography is powered by a 4.4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 that generates 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This SUV can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury SUVs available today. The base model Range Rover, starting at $109,375, comes with a 3.0-litre inline-six engine. But the Autobiography trim takes things to another level. It offers a more powerful V8, a smoother ride thanks to adaptive air suspension, and a luxurious interior that is closer to a private jet than a regular SUV. Inside, the seats are covered in premium leather, offer hot stone massage functions, and are fully adjustable with 24 different settings. The rear seats recline and have footrests, making long journeys incredibly relaxing. The panoramic roof adds to the feeling of space and luxury. What makes this SUV special is its ability to handle both rough terrain and city streets with ease. The only reason it does not rank higher is that it is more about comfort than performance. 4. Bentley Flying Spur.
Brett had a black Bentley.
maybe. And now he's missing it. So, yeah.
Yeah, like from the angle that you're there, you can't see that it's green at all, but it's very green from right here.
It's very green. It's got a dark tinted grille. It's got this little bee with wings.
That glows. This glows.
Yeah, it glows.
Right, the headlights are tinted a little bit darker. Right?
The Bentley Flying Spur is powered by a 6.0-litre twin-turbocharged W12 engine that produces 626 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. It can reach a top speed of 207 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans in the world. Starting at $276,450, the base model Flying Spur comes with a V8 engine, but the W12 version is the one that Roman owns. The W12 delivers significantly more power and a smoother ride. It also features Bentley's advanced all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional handling for a luxury sedan of its size. Inside, the Flying Spur is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The dashboard features a rotating touchscreen that can switch between digital controls, analog dials, and a seamless wood panel for a clean look. The leather upholstery is hand-stitched, and the wood veneers are polished to perfection. Everything about this car screams luxury and exclusivity. But wonder what makes the Bentley Flying Spur stand out from other luxury sedans? The answer lies in its customization. Bentley offers over 40 exterior colors. Yes, you heard it right, 40! Along with multiple bespoke interior finishes and handcrafted details that make each Flying Spur unique. It ranks here because while it is incredibly powerful and luxurious, it is still a sedan, and Roman's top 3 cars are in a league of their own when it comes to pure performance. 3. Rolls-Royce Wraith. The Rolls-Royce Wraith is a luxury grand tourer that masterfully blends power and refinement. It is powered by a 6.6-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine delivering 624 brake horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds while maintaining the signature Rolls-Royce smoothness. Advanced features such as ABS, automatic climate control, and multiple airbags ensure both safety and convenience. Priced at $559,570, the Wraith stands apart with its lower stance, sportier chassis, and aggressive driving feel compared to other Rolls-Royce models. Inside, it features hand-stitched leather, real metal accents, and the renowned Starlight headliner that replicates a night sky. The unique suicide-style doors add a touch of exclusivity, making every entrance and exit an event. With its perfect combination of breathtaking performance and unparalleled luxury, the Rolls-Royce Wraith remains a remarkable statement of automotive excellence. Did you know that Rolls-Royce originally debated whether to produce the Wraith at all because they were unsure if a high-performance Rolls-Royce would fit their brand image? In the end, it became one of their most successful models and proved that ultra-luxury and power could coexist in the same car. It is one of the best cars Roman owns, but the final 2 take things to another level. 2. Lamborghini Urus. The Lamborghini Urus boasts a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8, churning out 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. With an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, it launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds and reaches a top speed of 190 miles per hour, earning its title as the fastest SUV in Roman's garage. Starting at $241,843, the Urus comes packed with adaptive air suspension, active torque vectoring, and rear-wheel steering. Roman's model takes it further with full carbon fiber trim, lightweight forged wheels, ceramic brakes, and a track-tuned exhaust. Inside, the jet-inspired cockpit features a customizable digital dashboard, Alcantara sport seats, and a Y-shaped center console housing multiple drive modes. The infotainment system includes dual touchscreens with Lamborghini's adaptive network intelligence management system for a fully immersive driving experience. It ranks just below the #1 spot because while it is the most extreme SUV, the final car is an outright supercar. 1. McLaren 720S. Beneath its stunning aerodynamic design lies a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, churning out a staggering 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain ensures the 720S can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.8 seconds, cementing its place among the world's fastest cars. With a top speed of 212 miles per hour, it's clear that speed and agility are the 720S's forte. McLaren's commitment to precision is evident in the 720S's active aerodynamics, which dynamically adjust to optimize airflow for maximum downforce and stability at high speeds. The car's dihedral doors, which open upward, give the 720S an unmistakable presence and a touch of theatrical flair, reminiscent of a showstopper in the world of performance vehicles. Starting at $302,500, the 720S embraces a minimalist approach, with the interior designed to focus the driver entirely on the experience of driving. Ever noticed how the S20's shape resembles a teardrop? Wonder why? Well, it's no coincidence. This design is inspired by nature's own aerodynamic forms. And here's the interesting part. This sleek, flowing shape dramatically boosts its aerodynamic efficiency, cutting down drag while ramping up downforce. And that is Roman Reigns' luxury car collection, ranked from worst to best. Which ride do you think best represents the tribal chief? Comment below. If you enjoyed this, check out our previous video on John Cena's muscle car obsession and subscribe for more epic content on luxury, speed, and the champions who drive them.